Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Grady-White 325 Freedom. Take a look at the outside of the boat. It does have the boarding door on the side. Boat does have twin 300 horse Yamahas. This boat has Helmmaster on it. Already has underwater lights, Bennett trim tabs. Has the sunshade. The whole color is Seaport blue. The underside of the hardtop is Seaport blue. Let's take some covers off the boat, go inside, and take a look. Welcome on board the 325 Grady-White Freedom. Take a look through a couple of the options in the interior of the boat. It does have the electric seat that comes out. Refrigerator, sink, inside picture of the door, has a seat in the back. Fish box, a live well, a shower, rod storage on the side, rod holders on the tower legs, some cockpit lighting, speakers. This boat does have 12-inch Simrad Evo 3 unit, Fusion stereo, the large Yamaha gauge, push button starts, tilt wheel. This does have the Helmmaster joystick control, power helm seat, some USB ports, the electronic Yamaha control. Forward, cabin, get you out of the weather. As we up front, plenty of seating. This boat does have speakers forward, the optional bow table mounts in there. This boat does have a windlass, plenty of cup holders. As we come back to the head, marine head with rod storage behind it. Does have a companion seat. This is the 2019 325 Grady-White Freedom with twin Yamaha 300s with the Yamaha Helmmaster option, with electronics, and ready to go. Thank you and have a great day.